Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson entrepreneurship. Today we have to know about the function of entrepreneur function. What are the functions the entrepreneur can do? Function of entrepreneur. The first thing is entrepreneurs start a business activity by preparing the various plans related to the business. So he has prepared the first, before he start his business, he has prepared the various plans, because plans is very important to do the business. Then he organizes the factor of production. He organizes the factor of production. Organize the factor of production means what are the materials required for the production, raw materials. That thing he has arranged. Organize means arranged. Then he takes a decision about the product, technology, marketing, employment, etc. He is taking a decision because these fields are very important. One is production, technology, marketing and employment, everything. Then he coordinates the thing effectively. Coordination is very important, so that's why he has maintained the good coordinations among the workers or among the other business people or other neighboring factories, companies, like that. So that is, he coordinate the things effectively. Then he introduced the new methods, new skills into practice. So because he himself, he was called as a innovator, so that's why he introduced the new methods into practice. Then he handled the budget of his concern. So budget is also a very important. Yes, he has started. So budget, how to maintain that income and everything, and how to balance that. So that is to improve the company. The budget is very important. That has maintained by him. Then he bears the risk and uncertainty, because the risks are common in a business. So you want to bear the risk. You take that risk as a challenge. That is very important. And he give direction to the business and ensure for the effective operation. Direction in the sense, he has given a guidance for the other workers and to do what for the effective operation. So these are all the functions of entrepreneurship or entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur. So I'll recall again, what are the functions of entrepreneur. The functions of entrepreneur is, entrepreneur starts his business by the various plans and everything. He has prepared the various plan. Then he organizes the factor of production. The next thing is, he takes the decision himself. He has to take the decision in the field of production, technology, marketing, employment, etc. Then he will be the good coordinator. He coordinates the things effectively. Then he has implemented the new methods in a business into practice. Then he handles the budget effectively, and he has a mindset of risk taking and everything. Then he gives direction for the others to do the business properly. So these are the functions of entrepreneur. Okay, next, what is the role played by him? Role of entrepreneur. Okay, ಏನೇನು ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, almost it is also same. So, he promote the capital formation by mobilizing the idle saving of the citizen. So he promotes for the capital formation. Capital formation in the sense, promote for more income. Okay, capital means huge amount. Okay, so capital means what here? Huge amount. So he promote for the, because he required the huge income. Why it required the huge income? Because he invested the money in a huge only. So that's why he promote for the capital formalization by the idle saving. Then he provide the large scale employment also. He has provided the employment, because many of the workers worked in a company or in a factory, like that. And it helps to, entrepreneur helps to increase the GDP of the country and per capita income. GDP means, what is the full form of GDP? Gross domestic power. Okay, gross domestic power. It has increased based on the income of the people, and also he helps to increase the per capita income. What is mean by per capita income? Per capita income means income of the individual is called as the per capita income. Okay, income of the individual is called as the per capita income. Income of the nation is called as the national income. Keep in mind. Okay, he helps to increase the per capita income of the people. Then how? He has provided the employment, and he is giving a good salary also. Through that the per capita the income has increased. Then he enable the people to get the better quality of goods at lower price. Okay, because he has produced the things, best goods at the lowest price. So that's why he enabled the people to purchase the best goods for the lowest price. Then he promote the country for the export. Okay, so I mean he send his things, materials, the production, everything to the other countries to make more money. Then he promote the development of the society. Through that he has promoted the development of a society, because he has provided the many of the employment. Then through that at least their lifestyle will be increased. Then they try to maximize the profit by the innovation. Okay, maximize through his innovating ideas. I told you already, through his skills he try to maximize the production and try to increase the income of the factory or the company through his innovation mindset. So this role played by the entrepreneurship, I'll recall again, note down the points. One thing is he promote for the capital formation by mobilizing the idle saving of the citizen, and he promote the employment opportunities. He increase the GDP of the country as well as the per capita income. He increase the per capita income also. Then he enable the people to purchase the best goods for the lowest price, because he sold his goods and everything for the lowest price. And he improve or he promote for the export, and he promote for the formation of the development of the society or the good society. Then being a innovator thinking, so he has having a innovating mindset. Through that he has to maximize the profit of the company, or profit of the enterprise in the sense company. Okay, so yeah, these are the role played by whom? Played by the entrepreneur. Okay, next, importance of entrepreneurs. Why we require the entrepreneurs? That is called as importance. So this is the role, these are the function. Now we have to know about the importance of entrepreneurs. Okay, why we need the entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs serve as a spark plug in the economic engine in the sense in the national income, because income of the nation, particularly our India, has mainly depend on first almost the 50% of the income will come from agriculture. Remaining 40% will come from the these enterprise only. Enterprise in the sense factories, companies, from that only. Okay, so that's why the entrepreneur has called as the spark plug in the economic engine. How in a bike engine or a vehicle engine, if there is no spark plug, what is the use of spark plug in a vehicles? Spark plug used to create the spark. Through that the fuels ignite itself. Ignite means burn itself, and the vehicles can move. Okay, so if the spark plug not there, the fuels not yet started to burn itself, and the vehicles will not move. Like that only, how the spark plug is there in a vehicle engine, like that the entrepreneur is acts as a spark plug in the economic engine. In which engine? Economic engine. I mean, if the entrepreneurs not there, if the enterprises not there, if the entrepreneurs not there in a society, almost the economy of the country will fall down. Okay, that's why the entrepreneurs acts as a spark plug in the economic engine. Keep in mind, because if the entrepreneurs not there in a society, almost the economy of the nations will fall down. Next, they activating and stimulating all the dynamic activities. So he has to activate and stimulate the all the activities. So he's like a backbone. Okay, stimulate all the activities. Next, they promote the capital formation. It helps for the promote the capital formation means more profit. Okay, capital formation, huge money, capital formation. Then they help for the individual and the economic development of the country. This is very important. So per capita income has also increased, as well as the national income has increased. If the per capita is increased, helpful for the development of the individual, I mean development of what a person, and also as well as development of the nation. That is very important. So these are the development of person and development of nation. These are the importance of the what entrepreneurs. Keep in mind. Okay. So what are the importance of the entrepreneurs? Actually, entrepreneur acts as a spark plug in the economic engine. Without the entrepreneurs, there is no national economy. I mean, if the national economy almost it is reduced down, then entrepreneurs activate and stimulate all the activities, and he help in the what economic capital formation, and also entrepreneurs help in the development of a person as well as the development of the nation. Okay, so this is about the importance, and this is about the function, and this is about the role played by the entrepreneurship. Okay, next we have to know about the which are all the business the entrepreneur can do, and which are all the companies can give loans for him and everything. Till that, keep learning. Thank you all.